Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best backdrop stands that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have BDD Photo Background Stand. Don't expect this budget backdrop stand to last a lifetime, but if you are looking for something lightweight, easy to use and your backdrops aren't particularly heavy, you really can't beat the price on this one. This backdrop stand is adjustable from 2.3 feet to 6.6 feet in height and has a 4-piece crossbar that can be set up between 5 feet to 10 feet. It can only hold up to 5.29 pounds of weight though, so this is a system that you will want to use with lightweight cloth or vinyl backdrops, rather than fresh rolls of seamless paper. It breaks down small for easy storage in its compact carrying case. Don't forget the sandbags if you intend to shoot with this one. Moving on at number 4, we have Emart TShaped Backdrop Set. Emart's T-shaped backdrop set offers dead simplicity. It features a single aluminum stand, which expands to a maximum height of 102 inches, 8.5 feet. And it connects a 2-section crossbar holding 59-inch backgrounds via 4 spring-loaded nylon clamps. But, interestingly, you can use a single section of the crossbar to hold a collapsible reflector or flag, doubling the system with 2-on-1 functionality. But otherwise, it's ready to hang anything from seamless paper to a lightweight muslin. And everything tucks away nicely into the including carrying bag. Overall, Emart's T-shaped backdrop set is perfect for those wanting a simple kit ideal for lightweight and easy setups. At number 3, we have Emart Adjustable Background Kit. Emart's Adjustable Background Kit gives beginners a professional-level multi-functional system. This kit weighs 6.7 pounds and supports a 15 pounds payload. It also features 2 aluminum light stands, expanding to 84 inches, 7 feet, connecting to a 2-section crossbar that extends to 10 feet wide. Emart also includes 4 heavy-duty spring clamps to secure the backdrop and 2 sandbags to secure the stands. And everything fits neatly into the included nylon carrying bag. Other bonuses include a 12-month warranty. Overall, Emart's Adjustable Background Kit is an excellent option for beginners wanting something fully featured, affordable, and ideal for the outdoors. At number 2, we have HPUSN Backdrop Stand. HPUSN Backdrop Stand is one of the best on the market. It's made from aluminum alloy, so it's sturdy and lightweight. And it's easy to set up and take down, perfect for when you're on the go. The stand also comes with an adjustable backdrop, so you can get the perfect shot every time. The telescopic crossbar is also made of aluminum material, which makes it adjustable to your backdrop needs. This product is perfect for anyone who wants to improve their photography skills. This photography background stand comes with 6 clips that can be used to secure a variety of materials, including canvas, muslin, and paper backgrounds. Additionally, the stand comes with 2 sandbags that can be filled with anything heavy in order to weigh it down. The HPUSN backdrop stand is a great option for anyone who wants a simple and effective way to keep their backdrop in place. And finally at number 1. Neewer Backdrop Stand. The Neewer Photo Studio Backdrop Support System is the perfect way to create a professional backdrop for your photos. The system includes 2 backdrop stands, 4 crossbars, and other accessories. The photography backdrop stands are made of aluminum alloy and can support up to 8.8 pounds, 4 kilograms. The height and width of the stand are adjustable, making it easy to get the perfect background for your photo. The crossbars are made of sturdy plastic and connect the 2 photo backdrop stands. They provide stability and support for the whole system. The spring clamps are made of metal and plastic and are designed to hold the background fabric in place. The sandbags are made of nylon and help to keep the portable backdrop stand stable on uneven surfaces. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.